Hey guys, welcome to Code Like a Pro. In this video, we'll learn about functions. There you go. But before moving ahead, please consider subscribing. Okay, once you have done it, let's move ahead. Okay, so first I'll open IDLE. Once I've opened IDLE, I'll make a new file. Just click on File and the New File. I'll maximize it. And now I'll have to save my file first. So save as, and I'll save it as fun functions because it's quite fun to me. I like functions. So once I've made my file, now let me explain to you what's functions. So for example, I want to print three things to the console: hi, hello, and good evening. Okay, but it's a lot of work, right? Always printing and printing and printing, and inside those two codes, all of that stuff, it's garbage. I don't like it. Like, I don't want to print lines these many times. What should I do now? There comes functions. Functions help our code to be more organized and, let's say, clean. So first, to have a function, you should just type def. It doesn't stand for def, it's define. Okay, so define, and after that you should give a space, and after giving a space you should type the name of the function. It could be anything. Basically, you are just giving the name of your function. For example, I will give my function the name hi, and then I'll give two brackets like it's over here and a colon. After that colon, I'll give, in the next line, I'll give four spaces: 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you don't need to do this because it will already come when you just type enter. Okay, so inside this you can type your statements. So it's kind of a book. Okay, functions is kind of a book, and you are storing something in your book. Example, a diary. How you store something in a diary? Something like that. Okay, so print hi, print hello as I told you, and then print good evening. Okay, this is done. Now if I run it, as you can see, it's not giving us anything. Why is that? Because we need to print those three lines out, right? It's already printing them, but we didn't print the function. So to do that, you will just have to type the name of the function you gave and then two brackets. But in the next line, you should not give any space, like four spaces. Okay, then run module, and now you can see it's giving us hi, hello, good evening. Yep, it's giving us yay. But don't be too happy, there are more things to learn. Okay, but it's a lot of work still, right? You will have to type a lot of things right over here. How to get rid of that? I'll just type one line of print. Okay, and I'll get rid of this hi. Now I'll give in greet. Okay, so print greet, and inside this bracket also we'll give greet. So why am I writing greet? So think of it as a variable. Okay, greet. And now you saw, right, I had to print hi, hello, and good evening. How will I do that? So over here, inside this hi and two brackets, I will give two colons. Inside, sorry, not colons, quotes. So inside those two quotes, hi, and then I'll go to the next line, and then hi once again. And then what did I have to type? I think so it was hello, right? So I'll type hello inside, and inside hi once again, It was good evening, so good evening. Now you might not be understanding. So if I run, you can understand everything. So as you can see, it's giving us hi, hello, good evening. And now you got rid of two print statements. Very good. You have written the minimum amount of code. But now you might think it was nice only, right? When we were printing hi, hello, good evening. What was the problem? Okay, let me show you. So if I do that, hi, hello, and then print good evening. As you can see, it's a lot of writing, right? You have to type a lot. And now let's get rid of this real quick, and these two lines. There you go. As you can see, it was a lot of typing, and when I run module, it's the same thing, but it's a lot of typing, and we coders are very lazy, and for that only we used our variable inside a function. So this is very advanced, I think, for you guys. I know even when I was learning functions, it was quite difficult. I wasn't understanding, but once I understood, it was very fun for me. Okay, so let me give in greet once again. And inside this hi, let me give hi, and I'll just copy paste this line 2 times. Hello and good evening. Okay. As you can see now, it's giving us 3 times the value. Why is that happening now? Right? This is a common mistake. We should not do this. We should only do the one print statement, and it will do everything for you. Now if you run it, hi, hello, good evening, it works fine. Right? So that's it for the video. That's all you need for functions. Now you are ready, and you can code for anything. And there is soon coming a project using this functions, and it's a very advanced project. If you get us to 50 subs, you know what's the project. In the first video I have already told that. So that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, or else I'll come to your home and take your cookies.